Welcome back to MSN Construction YouTube channel. So, in our previous session, we went through the introduction on rural road construction. So, today we'll see the rural road construction methods used in Sri Lanka. So, will this document will give you a good insight on rural road construction methods. So, as we are heading with our first topic under methods, the earth construction method, right? Earth construction method. Earth construction method. So this is the most basic method used in very low traffic rural areas. The road is formed by cutting and filling the natural ground and compacting it properly. Side drains are essential to protect the road from rainwater. And also this method has very low construction cost but requires frequent maintenance. So frequent maintenance is must in earth road construction method. So when we consider the second one, the gravel road construction method, right? So gravel roads are widely used in Sri Lanka for rural and estate roads, right? So the gravel layer is placed over the prepared, subgrade and compacted, right? So proper camber, we know the camber, right? The proper camber and drainage are provided to ensure the durability. So this method is economical and suitable for low to medium traffic volumes. Previous one is for basically for the low traffic, right? Low traffic volume. So this is for the low to medium traffic volumes, gravel roads, right? So when we consider the waterbound macadam, either you can mention it as WBM as well, waterbound macadam method, right? In WBM roads consist of crushed aggregates compacted with water and screenings, right? So although this method is now less common, very rarely we use, right? It is still found in some older rural roads, right? So WBM provides better strength than gravel roads, but need good maintenance. What they say is WBM roads provide better strength than the gravel roads, but you need very much uh, good maintenance, right? Under DBST, either double bituminous surface treatment method, right? So under this method, this is a method which is one of the most popular methods upgrading roads in Sri Lanka, right? So it consists of two layers of bitumen spraying, followed by aggregate spreading and rolling, where the DBST roads are cost-effective, water-resistant, and also suitable for moderate traffic conditions. Suitable for moderate traffic conditions. So not like the gravel ones. So these are moderate traffic conditions suitable for moderate traffic conditions, right? So low volume asphalt concrete roads also available. That also another method, right? Low volume asphalt concrete road method. This method uses a thin asphalt concrete layer over the granular base, right? On top of the granular base, this asphalt concrete will be placed. So it is applied in rural roads with higher traffic, bus routes, or access road to towns, right? So although more expensive, it provides smooth riding quality and longer service life. So this is a good method, but it's more expensive, and also it provides smooth riding quality and longer service life. When we consider the concrete road construction method, concrete roads are used in special rural locations such as steep slopes, then flood prone areas, and here special rural locations such as steep slopes, flood-prone areas, right, and location with heavy axle loads, right. They have high initial cost. They have a high initial cost, but very low maintenance required, right. You need only less maintenance. So now when we consider the importance of drainage in rural roads, so the proper drainage is critical for all road construction. That's typical, it's critical. So side drains, then meter drains, then culverts and cross drains have prevent water damage and significantly increase the lifespan of rural roads, right? Again, we'll go through the importance of the drainage in rural roads. Importance of drainage in rural roads. It says that proper drainage is critical for all rural road construction methods, right? Side drains, meter drains, then culverts and cross drains help prevent water damage and significantly increase the lifespan of the rural roads. So, how to select the proper construction method? If someone asks us to select, in that case, the selection of a rural road construction method depends on traffic volume, right? Soil condition, and also rainfall, then terrain situations, then available budget, right? Maintenance capability, right? Those on those the rural road construction method depends, right? Rainfall, then terrain, available budget, maintain capability. So in Sri Lanka, DBST and gravel roads are more commonly used methods due to their cost efficiency. So finally, we have to think about the cost as well. So later on was finally in Sri Lanka, uh, most commonly DBS and the gravel roads are being used as the rural road construction methods. Okay, then we'll meet up with another session very soon. So till then, stay blessed, stay safe, have a nice day. Thank you very much for being with my channel, MSN Construction YouTube channel.